Hi guys, and welcome back to another video with the Rusty Plays YouTube Barber. I have been away for a while, but I'm back now and I'm going to try and get a video out once every 2 weeks just to try and make it sustainable. In this video I am going to be talking about the G&B Pro mini backpack. It is the Cali green, so it's a really nice colour. Let's stop messing about and have a look at this bag. So guys, this is the Cali green G&B Pro mini backpack. So straight away inside it's got the big logo and a USB cable. Now we'll get a bit more into the USB cable as we move on through, but this is where you plug in either your phone or any micro USB. As you can see, there's plenty of room to get a back mirror in there and even put your cape in. Now that was an issue with the clutch bag. It was a tight fit to get it in. So this is the inside, and as you can see from the spacers, they don't stay in place overly good. I would like to see them a little bit more secure, but you can fit everything in there, even a detachable clipper. I'm going to open the trays back here and you can see inside you can put brushes, combs and plenty of other things in there. We've got a place to put your shears in there. Under this flap there is for brushes, combs, and then a zip up pocket where you can put your clips or anything else. On the outside you've got a big velcro strip where you can put custom patches on. There's just pockets all over the place, so there's 1, 2, 3, I think there's about 4 on the front as it is. This is a little side pocket, you can put anything in there, and this is your USB port that's from the inside of the bag. So we're going to have a little bit of a look at this. Absolutely brilliant feature. And the back is padded, and you do have some straps there to strap it across your sen and make it secure so it's nice and comfortable. Another pocket, could even put your cape in there. So that's the front, and a bit of a look around the back of the backpack. So now we're going to get into the inside of it again, where I did show you the USB port. So we're just going to open this up and just remove everything out. And as you can see around the zip it does have a rubber seal, so it does make it waterproof as well. So this is our power bank. It's just a USB power bank. It charges the phone twice from a full charge. So you just plug this in on the inside, just slot that in, put everything back in the bag, so your mirror and your cape, close the lid and move on to the next step. This is your micro USB cable. All you need to do is plug it into the slot, get the micro USB cable and the item which you want to charge. So this time I've gone for the Gamma Boosted. A great thing about the Gamma Stylecraft products, a lot of them do come with the micro USB port, so it's absolutely awesome that you can charge on the go. And there you go, it's plugged in, it's charging. You get caught short, it doesn't matter because you've got your power bank, you can charge it up. So the height from the bottom to the top is 18 inches. The width is 12.5 inches, and the depth of it is, say, 7.5 inches, and that's with the strap. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pouches at the front with elastic straps in. Then you've got a pouch at the side, 5, another pouch, 6. So you've got 6 pouches on there, and then obviously you've got your top layer. So this will be 7. We've got 8. Open the bottom bit. You've got 9, 10, and then your trays. So you've got 10 pockets and your trays, so you've got plenty of storage in there. Right guys, that was the G&B Pro mini backpack in the Cali green. It's a really good backpack. I'd highly recommend it for anyone who's a mobile barber, hairdresser, a dog groomer, or even a tattooist. The bag is so versatile. It's not just for barbering. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would I rate this compared to the clutch bag? The clutch bag I actually rated at a 7. This, I'd give it a solid 8.5. The reason why I'm knocking that off is because of the spacers on the trays. They're not brilliant. They do the job, but they're not brilliant, and I feel like they could be made a little bit more secure so nothing is going to slide about. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will leave this in a link down below so you can head over to G&B Pro and pick one up for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and get active in the comments down below because it does help. I have been away for a while, but I'm hoping to start getting videos out a little bit more regular. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. In the link, a link down below in